everyone, Sharon here from Lilydale Library. We're going to do some science experiments today on motion. We'll have copies of the experiments online, so you'll be able to download them and learn how to do them. The books we've got the science experiments from are 101 extraordinary, exciting and occasionally explosive science experiments. Now this is illustrated by Hayley Ficker and illustrated by Steve Borkman, and it's published by Applesauce Press. And the other book I'm using called Amazing Science Experiments, Forces and Motion. And this one's published by Hungry Tomato. Are you ready? Let's go! You need a glue gun, CD, pop bottle lid for this experiment. We'll use the glue gun. You may need a parent to help you glue this lid to the CD. When we attach the balloon, the air outside squeezes the air out of the balloon so it moves like a real hovercraft. So I've attached the balloon to the cap, I've twisted the balloon. Now we'll see if we can actually get it to work. This is not always that successful. It might depend on how much air you've got in it. So I'm just going to undo the cap. I'm going to untwist the balloon. Let's see if it actually floats at all. Okay. Oh, it's moving a little bit, isn't it? Now we're going to do the lava lamp. So we've got our water and our oil already in the bottle. You need to wait for the oil to separate. Next we're going to add some food colouring. We're going to use blue because this will show up really well. I'm going to put quite a few drops in so you can see it, so it'll look good. Now, with this you only need to use half a tablet. So I'm going to start with half a tablet and we'll see what the reaction is. I'll drop that in. Here we go. When the Alka-Seltzer tablet is added to the mixture, it dissolves and forms a gas which rises, the gas escapes and the water sinks to the bottom, creating a lava lamp effect. Let's watch. Right, for this experiment you'll need 4 Alka-Seltzer tablets, a jug, a pop bottle lid and a bottle with water. We've coloured ours red. This experiment didn't work for us. Here are our silly attempts. We had lots of fun doing this. Have a try and see if it works for you. Oops! Thanks everyone, I hope you enjoyed the experiments. As you can see, they don't always work very well. The rocket was lots of fun, but we had trouble getting it to explode. I'm just going to drop another tablet in here. As you can see, the lava lamp worked really well. Bye everyone, we'll see you next time.